Hare Krishna. Hi everyone, welcome.
In this video, we are going to practically implement a Java program to find factorial of a number without using a recursive. Let's understand how do we calculate the factorial of a number. Factorial of a number n is n into n minus 1 multiplied by n minus 2 multiplied by n minus 3 until the n value is 1. Factorial of a 4 is 4 multiplied by 3 into 3 into 1. Therefore, it is 24. Let us practically implement this program using Java. We will add a main method. We'll take the input from the user using a scanner class. For this program, we need only one variable, number. Instead of hard coding that value in the program itself, we'll dynamically take that number from the user using a scanner class. Scanner is an inbuilt class in the java.util package which takes the system.in as an argument, which in turn read the values or the number which is entered by the user on the console from the keyboard. We'll use the nextInt method. It's an inbuilt method present in the scanner class to read the value from the console, and we store it into variable of number of integer data type. Let's close the scanner class object c.close. Before this, let's print a message to the user asking him to enter a number. Now add a print statement which prints the factorial of a number to the console. Add a core logic calculates the factorial of a number in a different method instead of having all the logic in the main method itself. In the main method, just we call the method and we print the return value, that is the factorial of a number, to the output using system.out.println. Factorial of a number is, the method name is fact, and we pass that number as an argument and we print the returned value fact to the output. Let's add a method static int fact which takes the argument number of integer data type. If the number is 0 or 1, then the factorial of 0 or 1 is 1. So directly return 1 itself as a factorial of a number. So remember that in a method, whenever return statement is executed, the statement below that return statement will not be executed. Directly control of the program will go back to the calling method, that is nothing but main method here. Let's initialize and declare a variable factor to store the factorial of a number and initialize the value 1. Now add a for loop which iteratively multiply a number with a number minus 1 until number is greater than 0. Add a for loop for int I is equal to number, and this loop should iterate till I is greater than 0, and every time we need to decrement the value of I. So we need to add I minus minus. Now just add multiply fact into I. Return the fact of a number, and we print this factorial of a number using system.out.println in line number 14. Let us run the program. Enter the number 4. Factorial of a number 4 is 24. We will now debug the program so that we can understand the logic which we added inside the method fact. Let's debug the program. Enter the number 1. You can see that program control reached line number 18. Number is having the value 1. Condition is satisfied. Number is equal to 1. It return 1 as an factorial of a number. We print that number to the output. Factorial of a number 1 is 1. Let's rerun the program. Enter the number 0. Program reached line number 18. Number is equal to 0 as condition satisfied. We return a factorial of a number as 1. Let's debug the program again. Enter the number 4. Number is having the value 4. 4 equal to 0. 4 equal to 1. Condition is not satisfied. We don't enter into the if condition. Let's move on to the line number 22. Fact will be initialized with the value 1. I will be initialized with the number 4. I is having the value 4. Fact is equal to fact into I. Fact is 1. 1 into 4 is 4. 4 will be stored into variable fact. I is decremented by 1 now. It is 3. Fact is equal to fact into I. Initial value of I is having the value 3. Initial value of fact is 4. 4 into 3, that is 12. 12 will be stored into variable fact. Now I is decremented by 1 again. I is having the value 2. Earlier value of fact is 12. 12 into 2 is 24. 24 will be stored into variable fact. Now I is decremented by 1 again. I will be having the value 1. 24 into 1, that is 24 itself will be stored into variable fact. Now I is decremented by 1 again. The condition 0 greater than 0 is not satisfied. For loop is terminated and we return 24 as a factorial of a number, and we print that factorial of a number using system.out.println in line number 14. Factorial of a number 4 is 24.
Thanks for watching.